So if you watch my previous videos, you know the series that I am doing, and today I was watching a video of Jasmine Amma. You can tell from the screen she is one of my favorite Ghanaian YouTubers, and since I make sewing tutorials, I decided to make the beautiful top she was wearing in that video. So that is my project for today, and I'll be using this beautiful vibrant kente print for my design. So we'll get into the video. So we are in lockdown, so that is why I'm still in my robe and my bonnet. And honestly, you guys have to just get used to my bonnets and my robes, because this is part of the reason why I've not been filming, because I feel like I have to follow all these other YouTubers and dress up and come here, and it's just so tiring, and I don't know how to do my makeup properly, so that is like stressful. So I was just like, you know what, this is it. Oh, I'll never like really do anything on this channel if I'm waiting to get things perfect. So let's get into the tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. So for the measurement, you're going to need your bust measurement, and you're going to add 15 or 20 inches depending on how gathered you want it, and you can add that to your bust measurement and cut it. But for the length, I made it 11 inches because it's just on the bust. I went ahead and joined the two sides together, and I'm using my pinking shears to trim the edges to prevent it from fraying. So for the other side, I'm gonna fold in 1/4 of an inch before folding the elastic casing, because that edges is really rough and it can fray. So when sewing, make sure you leave an inch. That is where you're going to thread your elastic through. So for the elastic, measure your upper bust and your beneath your bust, and those measurements are gonna be different, of course. I think the upper bust is gonna be longer than the lower bust, so because the waist is usually smaller. I mean, it depends on who. That is why I'm not gonna tell you the elastic length, because it depends on who you're making it for or who is gonna wear it, because we all have different body sizes. So you're gonna measure your upper bust and your lower under your bust, or wherever you want the top length to be.